So hello and welcome to another lecture in mastering DeepSeek, Llama and other LLMs using Open-WebUI and Ollama. So far we had covered a lot of things like overview of Open-WebUI, overview of Ollama, then setup installation. I choose take latest.NET setup installation of Open-WebUI with Ollama on AWS, GCP and Azure. Then Ollama command line and how you resize the VM for various other models. And then how to download and pull new models in Open-WebUI through Ollama. Now in this lecture we'll cover how to run multiple models simultaneously, basically with a concurrent use, how you run multiple models. So let's start this lecture. Okay, my VM is already running. I am also connecting with my terminal. So here you can see my VM is already running and I am connected with my terminal also. Okay, so here you can see this is my first terminal and here you can see this is my second terminal. Okay, so I am working here. Give me a minute. Yes. So this is the first terminal. This is the second terminal. Okay. I'm also checking Ollama version here. So this is the command. And if I enter, so here you can see that Ollama version is 0.57. Then let's Ollama run. This is DeepSeek R170. Give me a minute. I am running a small version of DeepSeek. Give me a minute. Let's see what is the small version of DeepSeek. So it is 1.5 billion. Okay. So this is the model. Then again, I am going on this and open my terminal. Here I am running Ollama run DeepSeek R1.51B and also I am running Ollama run small thinker. Okay, so these are two models and let's see what is the answer. Okay, so let's and I'm running this one. Give me a minute. Here you can see that we have successfully run both the models. Okay, and after this you can see that we have run DeepSeek R1 and we have run small thinker, and it will small thinker take some time, but let's ask a small thinker, who are you? So here you can see it will give message greetings. I'm DeepSeek R1 and an artificial intelligence assistant created by DeepSeek. I'm at your services and would be delighted to assist you with my any inquiries or tasks. And here you can see that a small thinker is not uh, work. Basically, it will take some time, some more time. Okay. So this is just called the concurrency, or if you say anything in Ollama. And you can also see that is the newest version of Ollama, which is 0.5.7, and you can run simultaneously models. We have also one problem, like my VM size is very low. If you want to run simultaneously all the models, like two or three models simultaneously, so you can increase the size of the VM and you can good to go for using mo model simultaneously. Okay, and after this, here you can say it will take some time, and also small thinker is very fast, and sorry, also I'm saying that DeepSeek is very fast and a small thinker is just a small model. And if you check the size of the small thinker, give me a minute. Small, yes, this is the size of a small thinker. So it is 3 billion parameter model, and you can say that the the DeepSeek is 1.5 billion parameter. For example, I am running 1.5 billion parameter model, so it works very fast. And here you can see that the is like the small thinker. It is 3 billion parameter, but it works slow because of size of the VM, and there are a lot of many things. Okay, so I am asking here, who are you? So you can see that I am an AI assistant designed to provide. So this is the response from this is the response from small thinker, this is the response from DeepSeek. So this is the difference between these models, and also this is called concurrency. If you want, like if you want to run simultaneously, you can also update the size of the Olama and it works for you. So this is how you can run multiple models simultaneously. So that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.